What's going on, Sacred Takes team? Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this easy flash transition inside After Effects. This is going to be a quick tutorial, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Join the Sacred Takes team. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. Make sure to hit that like button to help my channel continue to grow on YouTube. It really means a lot to me, guys. With that being said, let's hop straight into it. As you guys can see, we're inside After Effects. These are the clips we will be working with today and doing the transitions to. First thing what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to right click on your mouse, head up to new, adjustment layer. Now you're going to bring the adjustment layer to the point where the transition is going to happen. So I'm going to put it in between these two clips, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 3 frames to the left and 3 frames to the right so we can make that adjustment layer 6 frames in total. So I'm going to head over to my preview, 1 2 3 to the left, I'm going to cut it there, go back to the center, 1 2 3 to the right, cut it there, delete the remaining of the adjustment layer. This is the adjustment layer we will be working with. First effect we're going to throw on is brightness and contrast. You're going to grab it and throw it on the adjustment layer. We're going to go to the begin adjustment layer. We're going to set a keyframe. We're going to go at the halfway point and we're going to bring that brightness up to 100. Then we're going to go to the end adjustment layer and bring that brightness back down to 0. Next effect we're going to throw on top is directional blur. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to keyframe it at 0 at the beginning on blur length. Go about halfway and bring that blur length up to 70. And then go to the end. Then go to the end adjustment layer and back down to 0. Now when we play it back, we have something like this. Pretty clean. To make it more flashy, guys, I'd suggest duplicating that adjustment layer. And then when we play it back, you can see it's more of a flash. If you guys want to be extra with it, copy it one more time, so 3 times. That's super clean. Now we're going to select all 3 of the adjustment layers, Command C, Command V to duplicate, and we're going to bring those flashes to the middle of the other 2 clips we'll be transitioning from. And now if we play it back, we have something like this. Super fire, guys, super easy. It just adds that extra little sauce to your video. Look what it looked like before it, and now with it. Super clean, guys, super easy to do. That was it for the tutorial, guys. I know it was a fast one, but if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below if you were able to try it out on your own videos. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. Make sure to hit that like button if you haven't yet. It's free, you're not paying me a single dime. Come on, guys, hit that like button. I know you want to. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.